Let's have a look at using the Database Engine Tuning Advisor.
So let's use Database Engine Tuning Advisor to analyze our database. So I'm running SQL Server Management Studio, and it's just from the Tools menu, Database Engine Tuning Advisor, connect it to the instance you want to analyze, and then from here you can either use a file, table, or a plan cache. And I have a file of SQL that I want to analyze. So it's an important set of SQL scripts that I want to make sure I have the highest performance for. And for this example, I'm actually going to just use one table. That's purely to speed the process up. Often you would be looking at multiple tables, but I have a script in here that I want to analyze. So we're now just looking at one table. That's purely for performance for this example here. And then we can start analysis. Now, some people don't like Database Engine Tuning Advisor. They say you should plan everything yourself, and you should. But I always think it's quite a useful thing to run as well, just to make sure. And you just think, hopefully when it runs, it comes up with no recommendations. But if it does, and here it's saying it's got an estimated improvement of 84%, then we need to justify why we're not following the advice that it gives. It's very straightforward. Once you've got this advice, click onto the definition and it will give you the script to create that. Now you copy this to the clipboard, and that's useful because, for example, here we've got a non-clustered index with a name that I wouldn't really want. So we can copy it to the clipboard, edit it, and then run the script to update this. And you'll find other ones, there's statistics as well, so it's suggesting create statistics and so on in there. So go through, have a look at recommendations. If you don't follow them, if you have a reason not to, then justify it. But otherwise, you might find that there's something you missed, maybe an index or something that you think, actually, yes, that is good advice, I should do that. And it just checks for specific workloads or tables whether you've got the optimum design for your database.